Let's get the latest on the cyclone now with ABC weather specialist Graham Creek. Graham.
Thanks, Jeremy. And gale-force winds are starting to be recorded at exposed coastal areas and the islands between Hamilton Island and also Arlington Reef, which sits off Cairns, with mean winds of 93 kilometres per hour and gusts to 117 kilometres per hour being recorded at Hamilton Island. Now, the eye of the cyclone is still around 200 kilometres off the coast of Cairns. Rainfall is now becoming more persistent along the coast. We're getting heavy falls. Over 100 millimetres has fallen inland from Mackay, and conditions will rapidly deteriorate anywhere between Townsville and Cairns. I'll be back with all the weather details at the end of the bulletin.